Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another glow up video. So this video is long awaited. I'm not sure if any of you watched my last glow up video, but that was so long ago. But basically I had quite a bit of blonde in my hair and my hair is blending into my headrest. The last time I had my hair done was December. I have two nails that are missing. I don't know why they're the thumbs either. It's such like a random place to have your nails missing, but yeah, they're also like really grown out and I'm really pale, my skin's shit, and I just look like a big fat toe, to be honest. So the plan for this video is to get my hair done, my nails, and instead of fake tanning, I'm actually going to go and try the sunbeds. Now, I know it's quite controversial. I know it's quite controversial going on sunbeds because obviously there is a lot of risks. However, I have done my own research on them. This isn't me saying that you all need to go on sunbeds or even do an entire glow up. This is just something that's going to make me feel a little bit better and something that I like to do every few months, just, I don't know, like a little bit of a pamper session. But yeah, I'm really excited for this video. As always, if you do like this video, make sure you smash it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more. And I'm at the dentist. Apparently that's part of the glow up. But yeah, these next few clips, if I'm not talking much or if I do attempt to speak and it's only one side of my face that moves, it's because I am having a filling at the dentist. It's time for the hair! Also, me and Dan are going somewhere really exciting today and I don't want to say too much. It involves adult things. There will be vlogs. But yeah, stay tuned.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey.
Oh my god. I've just been walking in the wind, so my hair is literally all over the place, but she's back. She's got the blonde back in her hair. I've got a little bit lighter this time and I normally get like the front framing money pieces, which I've still got. I just went a little bit thicker. So when Amy was mixing my bleach, she uses 6% blue bleach with Olaplex, and then I think the toner she used was 916, I think, don't quote me on it. It'll be like a Weller toner, but it does also depend on like the natural base that you have. So mine was quite dark, but my hair takes well to bleach. Obviously if you've got lighter hair and you have the same toner as me, then it might go like a little bit lighter or something. I don't really know, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm just saying what I've heard. But yeah, I'm gonna go to this little exciting thing that me and Dan are doing together, and then tomorrow we can sort out the nails and we can start going on the sunbeds and start looking less pale. So the glow up has definitely begun. I feel like when you get your hair done you always feel 10 times better. But yeah, tomorrow is nail day and sunbeds. Hi guys, so we're gonna go get our nails done. I've got one or two options. I either want to go for something that's like this or one that's like this. Kind of want to go for the first ones just because I know that my manager will absolutely bollock me at work if I get anything that's like far too colourful. I'm also nervous yet excited to go on the sunbeds, just because I was speaking to my hairdresser yesterday. She goes on the ones that I'm going to go on, and she was basically saying that the stuff that she uses brings like all the heat to the surface of the skin, if that makes sense. So basically you come off looking like a tomato. So I feel like I'm probably going to blend in with the colour of my trousers. But yeah, first thing is going to be nails and then sunbed. I'm really excited, but I'm also nervous at the same time.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
So the nails are officially done. I'm having a bit of a panic just because I was trying to find a parking spot for ages, and then I looked at my fuel level and it was on 0, and now I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out of the car park without breaking down from no fuel. I also decided to choose the tightest parking spot apparently. I'm going to go and drive to the tanning salon. I'm meant to have wipes in my car to take my makeup off, and I don't think I do. And I know that if you wear makeup when you go on the sunbed, then it can be really patchy. But maybe we're just going to have to wing it this one time and just keep the makeup on, because apparently I don't have any wipes. They were on my passenger seat. That was my fuel level telling me that it's really low. But yeah, time to go and look less Casper the Friendly Ghost and jump on the sunbeds. Really excited, really nervous. Excited because then when I keep going on them more and more, I'll look nice and tanned. I'm just so bored of fake tan because it just goes so patchy, and I resemble a Greg's sausage roll when it starts to go patchy. And also, like, do you know underneath your armpits and everything when it starts to come off and it, no, it just looks really gross.
Baby, I have a taste, all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
I just want to say, if you've not been on sunbeds yet, you need to do it. So don't get me wrong, I was getting Final Destination vibes. I'm claustrophobic, so I'm claustrophobic, Darren. So when I was closing, like, so I went on the one where you lay down. When I was closing it, I was like, oh my god, is it going to shut like the entire way? And then is it going to be too heavy for me to open the door? Don't know. I have that's how my brain thinks about things. But yeah, if you've not been on sunbeds yet, then I would highly recommend doing it. You just feel like you're laid on the beach, you're on holiday, and I don't know, it's just vibes all around. I can't believe I've not done this before. I've just been to get my eyebrows done and it was a different girl that's done them. Do you know when people say like your brow lady can ruin your life? They're not joking. It's fine because when you wash your face at the end of the night, half of the tint comes off. I'm also Casper the Friendly Ghost right now, and I have just had my hair freshly bleached.
Material girl.
I'm washing my hair boots. See when my brows have toned down. I don't look like I've got sharpie eyebrows. Bro, these are dark. Look at them.
It's the blonde. It's the blonde because it's, you know, basically really bright.
I look like Gemma Collins.
It's literally, it's because your hair is so bright here and it's just like literally. No, because it's the same for me.
I've just tipped her as well because I felt bad that she had another client waiting, and she was like, oh, I'll go get some change from the shop. I was like, no, it's fine, take extra money.
If you push this back and you've got your natural colour here, it's not bad, it's because of the blonde base.
If I walk around like this, it doesn't look that bad.
Have you got any makeup wipes?
No. I'll see you when my brows don't look as ferocious.
Bye guys.
It's almost the end of the glow up. So I've just quickly straightened my hair, or shall I say curled my hair with the straighteners. Blowout curls are my absolute favourite. I'm going to get dressed now. I feel like new clothes are essential to a glow up. So I placed an order on Naked Fashion the other day, and I really want to show you the things that I got. I do also have a discount code as always, so you can save yourself some coin. So I'm going to put that in the description bar because sometimes it does change. So I'm going to leave it there, but I'm also going to put it on screen for you. So yeah, let's quickly see what our outfit of today should be. So the first thing is this gorgeous olive green satin shirt. I want to say it's like a shirt dress, it's quite oversized. And my plan for this was like a little black crop top underneath and maybe some black shorts or leggings. The weather isn't thriving today, so I do have other alternatives as well, but this was the first thing I picked up. She's a little creased because I've just got her out of the packaging, but she's also very cute. And then my other alternative was these jeans from Naked Fashion with like a beige crop top, just because I really like the neutral tones and I feel like I've been wearing a lot of colour recently. So I don't know if I should wear the jeans or if I should wear the oversized shirt. I do also have a couple of other things that came in my order as well that I want to show you. My favourite thing being this bag. This is pure like Balenciaga vibes. It's the cutest little bag in the whole entire world. I feel like I kind of want to wear the jeans because they're neutral and the bag is black, so it's going to stand out a lot more. Sort of based the outfit around this bag, and then I did also pick up these sunnies as well. It's not that sunny outside, but it's also June, and I feel like sunglasses are an essential in a really nice accessory for your outfit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the jeans. I'm gonna put the outfit on and then I will show you. So this is the outfit with the jeans and the crop top on. I feel like these jeans, chef's kiss. And then the shoes that I've paired with them are just my platform Converse. I feel like they're the best shoes to just pair with anything. And I'm really liking the neutral sort of monotone vibes, and I feel like with the sunglasses and the bag, I feel like the outfit is definitely complete. These sunglasses as well are absolutely unreal. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. So we've had our hair done, our nails, we've been on the sunbed, which I'm actually going to go back there today and stay consistent so that I can actually get a proper tan. The brows have toned down because in the last clip they were just, well, I literally look like an angry bird. But yeah, I feel like the glow up is now officially done. I feel like it was going to be a fail when I had my brows done, but they've turned out okay. This video isn't me saying that we all need to go out and buy like a new outfit and get our hair done, nails done, get a tan, things like that. It's just based on something that makes me feel a little bit better, and it's a fun video to make as well. It's nothing like too serious. So yeah, don't feel like you need to go out and like do all them things to make yourself feel better. Just do what you want to do. Again, like I said before, this is just a little fun video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. As always, if you did, make sure you smash this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!